Here we are in Harare, Zimbabwe. This is Boit Nyariri working hard on a piece for us. Utonga Gallery, www.utonga.com. This piece is made at Springstone. How are you doing today, Boit?
I'm fine, okay.
Good. Can you stand this piece up and let's see the front? What we have is a mother and two children. Eventually this piece will be sanded and wet sanded and then polished. Boy, it's a very, very skilled artist. His finishing is superb. And we're going to video this piece while it's under construction, as we call it. And then we'll come back once it's finished. And we'll videotape the finished piece. Thank you, Boit. Thanks. While we're doing this, we'll just videotape this crocodile, which is in the final stages of finishing, using a blowtorch and applying cobra wax, which is a type of wax that they use in Zimbabwe. And once this piece is finished being waxed, then it'll be polished and just buffed out once the wax is dried. And here's a warthog that has been finished. That is, the wax has been applied, but it has not yet been buffed. It'll let the wax dry. And once the wax is dried, then they'll come back and buff it. It'll give it a good shiny finish. Alright, thanks very much.